Hello, welcome to this Rapid Profit Machine review. This is John. Welcome to my channel. Hey, please subscribe if you haven't yet. I'd love to make sure you get the latest information and videos that I put out. Like the video if it helps, and let's jump right on in. So let me head over here. This is the sales page for Rapid Profit Machine, and you can watch the video from James Neville Taylor. He's the person who created this. And the great thing about it is you can start for free and get some really good training as a free member. So obviously if you can join as a free member, they have paid options as well, but you really don't need any of those. You can upgrade once you start making some money, and that's what I would recommend. Start as a free member, get the advantage of the training, and they even send you leads as a free member. Okay, so that's the other awesome thing, and I'll show you those in just a second, is that they're going to send you leads that you can earn from, and that can get imported into your autoresponder so you can continue to email them, and you get that as part of just a free membership. So lots of information on the sales page. Obviously you can read through the reviews, see different things. I'll put a link to this on the bottom, and again, I shouldn't say it's a sales page because it's a free account. And once you click on this, yes, I want to get my free RPM system right now, it's going to take you to this checkout page essentially, but it's not a checkout page because it is free. And so again, you just click on, enter your information, log into your Warrior Plus account if you have it, and your free account will be set up. And then when you're in your free account, it's got these kind of 5 steps that you want to go through first. They're all very short. That's one thing I love about this, is they're very short videos that show you how to get the system set up. Super easy. You can see this one's just 2 minutes long. You definitely should join the Facebook group. Very active Facebook group. You can see they have over 31,000 members right now in the Facebook group. And then you just go on to the next step, and they just walk you right through how to enter your affiliate information for these 2 different products, how to get buyer traffic, and then once you're done, when you go on to next steps, it's going to take you to this area under the RPM Hub with your training and product access. And then when you click on your training and product access, it's going to open up this page. And let me get myself out of the way. You can see you have these different training levels. Now, some of these are free and some of these are paid. So this is all free, this welcome intro. If you're using Builderall for your email autoresponder or Aweber, you just need to go through to set that up. Very easy to do. He shows you exactly step by step how to do it. And then how to get your free traffic. And these are, again, very simple to do. You just need to go through the process and do them, and then you'll start getting leads. Now, there is additional training here as a free member that you get. Again, very good. And you can see quite a bit of traffic training, Facebook organic traffic, solo ad training, and then how to be successful at email marketing. Now, the rest of these are paid options, and so you can choose to upgrade to any of these if you want. This secret traffic sources is just a $7 upgrade. I did purchase this myself, and you can again go through and watch videos on how to get traffic from these different sources. So if you need some help on traffic training, you get a lot of good free traffic training in here. Under the free, what's included, and then for $7 you get some additional traffic training as well. Now, you can purchase traffic if you click on this. They also have some contests that are going on that you can potentially earn from if you win. They have a short form video challenge. So short form video is things like TikTok, Instagram, Reels, YouTube Shorts, etc. So this can be a very effective traffic strategy, and so you can go through that. And then this is their kind of high ticket offer, this MAB. I'm drawing a blank on what that stands for. I think my affiliate business or something like that, where you get more in-depth training, and you can also earn higher commissions when you do sell things. But I would encourage you to join as a free member. You get lots of really good training. You do get free leads as well. Let me jump back over here. Again, if you go under RPM Hub, you do get some funnels that are included. And so when you open this up, you have capture page funnels, VSL funnels, video sales letter funnels. And you can see, here's their primary one. This is where I would send you to. I had 2 people go to that page, one joined, and so you can choose any of these, and then they have some webinar, a webinar funnel as well. But if you're just sending once you get your system connected, you can see I've had 18 people go here and 4 leads through this opt-in page, and these are all from the free traffic. And if we go to my leads, you'll see I think there's several leads in here right now. This page is a little slow to load, but there we go. 9 leads in there right now, and you can see 2 from yesterday, 2 from the day before, etc. So I would encourage you to if you're thinking about this, it's great training. You join for free. There's no cost. You can make commissions. I think as a free member you get 30% commissions, if I remember correctly. And then if you're a paid monthly member, I think it's $30 a month is the paid monthly membership. And then your commissions, I believe, double to 60%, if I remember correctly. So, but you can make some nice 30% commissions as a free member. You're getting leads. I just showed you the leads I've gotten. These are all free. I haven't done anything to get these leads. And he's just sending free traffic. Obviously, they make commission, because these are his products that he's selling. So he makes 70% commission, and we make 30% commission. But for free leads, and then these leads, you can import them into your own autoresponder, so you can continue to mail them other offers, and you can continue to make money as well by getting these free leads. So to me, it's kind of a no-brainer. I'll leave a link down below. Again, that will take you, to the sales page here. Just click to get your free system. Go ahead and get your access, and then just go through this very simple setup process. And if you have any questions at all, reach out to me. Let me know. This is a real text number up here, so if you text me at that number, I do respond. I will reply to any questions you have, or leave a comment down below. But to me, great system. Start for free, earn commissions as a free member, and then just upgrade when. And if you want to, you don't ever need to upgrade. There's no requirement to upgrade, but you certainly can once you start seeing some commissions come in. Thanks so much. Again, please leave a thumbs up if you liked the video, if you found it helpful, and also feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thanks so much for watching.